So earthquake in that sense is a hazard when it has potential to occur in the region. Hello everyone, welcome to PLUTUS IAS and myself Akshay Guru. So guys, today I am here for the topic of disaster management. I have started this series on the disaster management just to help you guys to have a better clarity over on the different concepts that deals with the disaster governance as in. Okay, so now I have already made the video on the very significance of this topic. Okay, equally what it means by the disaster, like taking the definition from the two standard documents as well. And now over here I am going to discuss about the definition or the meaning of hazard as in. Okay, hazard. So see guys, in the disaster terminologies you will find that is pretty much very common, I would say, this term that is in the use. Okay, vocabulary, disaster management ki jo vocabulary hai, so it includes this hazard word so frequently. See what exactly it means by hazard, because hazardous sector what we consider, hazardous sector many times, even in our constitution there is mention that children are not allowed to work in the hazardous sector. So now what does that mean by this hazard as a word? The first thing first, what? The hazard is the root word of this hazard, it lies in the French word, okay, French, okay, French इसका origin है, और further जिसका एक और रूट वर्ड कनेक्ट हो सकता है, that we are not much sure about कि exactly कौन सा origin, but we can connect it with the two. You will find that is rather in Arabic one. Okay. अब now see, try to understand पहले इसका literal meaning of this term. That the word hazard owes its origin to the word hazard. Okay, hazard in French, and azhar, okay, as zahar, okay, in Arabic, meaning a chance or luck. So as zahar or hazard, that simply means a chance or luck. Ab hazard, that what we word use, term that use in disaster particularly, what is hazard? Hazard in that sense, it is a potential or it is a by chance, a by luck, a disaster that actually realize on the ground. या अगर उस सेंस में अगर इसका हम मीनिंग ले तो इट इज बाय चांस रियलाइजेशन ऑफ ए डिजास्टर, और इट इज एक्सपेक्टेशंस दैट द डिजास्टर इज व्हाट गोइंग टू हैपन और वुड लीड टू दैट काइंड ऑफ इंपैक्ट ऑन. सो दिस हैजार्ड इज सिंपली, नाउ अगर हम इसको डिफाइन करेंगे अब, यू विल फाइंड हैजार्ड मे बी डिफाइंड एज ए dangerous condition. Okay, so hazard is like a dangerous condition. In what respect it is dangerous? Conditions or event that threat or have the potential for causing. See, it is the threat in a sense that is creating a threat. It is not actually leading to a damage, right? It has not led to a significant damage as of now, but what it is has potential to lead when it will realize actually on the ground to a damage, causing injury to life or damage to property or the environment. So simply taking the help from the definition, देखो hazard क्या होगा? Hazard is simply any potential event that has capacity to lead a damage to the real time world. For say example, see earthquake. So earthquake in that sense is a hazard when it has potential to occur in the region. ठीक है? That earthquake ये hazard है कब? जब ये actually आया नहीं है, right? जैसे एक बार आया है but अभी तक उसके बाद आया नहीं है. It means what? It is now a hazard, and when it really actually occurs on the surface, it has now become a disaster. अब डिजास्टर भी कब बनेगा? जब उसमें vulnerability वाला एलिमेंट ऐड होगा. Okay, so first trying to understand the meaning of hazard. Hazard is any potential event that would lead to a damage, or that has potential to lead a damage. It may not lead to a damage as well, depend on the vulnerability, risk potential, and preparedness of the region then. So hazard is like flood. For say example, अगर किसी flood plain पे you will find कि flood plain पे अगर encroachment है या human habitation है, so the occurrence of flood is rather expected there. A flood is hazard there. जब flood actually आएगा, it would lead to a serious mishappening, serious calamity or disruption of life over in the region, reducing the coping capacity of the region to deal with the flood. A flood is now a disaster. So I hope you are getting this fact that hazard is a not actual, but it's a potential to actualization, okay, or actualize the disaster in reality. So it's like a before occurrence of this particular disastrous event or a serious issue as in, okay, issue. अब देखो hazard then can be divided into two ways. एक होगा बेस्ड ऑन द नेचुरल फैक्टर, नेचुरल हैजार्ड. अब नेचुरल हैजार्ड मतलब क्या है? सिंपल सा केस है, जो नेचुरल फैक्टर से आएंगे दोज आर द नेचुरल हैजार्ड, लाइक अर्थक्वेक, वोल्केनो, देन यू विल फाइंड फ्लड्स है, फ्लैश फ्लड्स है, अर्बन फ्लड्स है ना. सो दिस आर ऑल साइक्लोन्स है, सुनामीज है, दिस आर ऑल नेचुरल हैजार्ड. एंड व्हेन इट कम्स टू मैन मेड हैजार्ड, इट मींस ए पोटेंशियल. सो यू विल फाइंड द इंडस्ट्रियल हैजार्ड्स है, जैसे इंडस्ट्रियल फायर है, इंडस्ट्रियल गैस लीकेज है, ऑयल स्पिल है, या बायोलॉजिकल डिजास्टर्स है. All these are the man-made hazard having potential to disrupt the regular mode of life. I hope guys you are getting this fact pretty much clearly, है ना? So this is my genuine attempt to help you guys to understand the very meaning of these basic terms. Thank you and have a good time.